Hey guys, let's check out this LED electronic timer. First off, on the side it has these buttons, your power switch, and then it has the light. So the screen display can go from light to brighter, as you see here. Top right corner, you have the knob for the seconds, the minutes, and then you can either clear it, start, or stop. Over here we have our alarm volume, which is vibrate, mute, loud, and louder, and I'll show you how it works. You can rotate the knob clockwise or counterclockwise to manipulate the seconds. And you manipulate the minutes in the same way. You can rotate the knob either clockwise or counterclockwise. Special feature it has is that it's also magnetic, as you can see here. This is where you would plug it in to charge it. Okay, well let's get it started and I'll show you how it works. Silent mode. I want the voice louder. Click here.
3, 2, 1.
Cooking for the holidays or a special occasion? Set your timer.